Hello everybody, I'm Jan de Waele, President of the European Society of Intensive Care Medicine, and today I'm here with Patricia Mello from the Brazilian Society of Intensive Care Medicine. I'm very proud to announce a new step in the collaboration and partnership that our societies have had in the past years.
We've had a wonderful partnership over the past 6 years, and we are happy to announce our first Euro-Brazil meeting that will happen next year in São Paulo with excellent topics, the most important ones in critical care.
We intend to cover topics like mechanical ventilation, hemodynamic monitoring, and neurocritical care.
And we invite each one of you to join us next year in São Paulo for the first Euro-Brazil meeting.
Looking forward to seeing you there.